Hello, my name is Elizabeth Day. I'm the parenting consultant at Mothercare. I'm going to take you through swaddling and how to swaddle your baby safely. You may not be sure about what swaddling is, but it has been used for many, many years, centuries actually. And it's a way of wrapping babies quite tightly in a lightweight blanket or sheet and making them feel sort of quite snug and secure. And for some babies this can be quite beneficial and they seem to like being swaddled. For other babies, they're not too keen. So it depends on your baby. Always be guided by your baby. I'm going to show you swaddling with a swaddling blanket, and this is one that's been designed to make it a tiny bit easier to swaddle baby. The first one is actually, it's even got a little star for the first one that goes up over baby's tummy. Then the second one comes across, tucks the arm in, and comes under baby's tummy and side. Oh dear. And then the third star, which comes over here, you just tuck under baby and under baby's bottom. And that's it. This is what swaddling is. It's fairly easy and straightforward. And as I said, some babies like it and some babies are not too keen. So always be guided by your baby. Important points as well to mention is not to swaddle babies' hips too tightly, and always swaddle babies on their back, never on their side or on their tummies. It's very dangerous. And as baby gets older, and that is round about 2 to 3 months, definitely round about that stage when they start rolling over and start wriggling, then that's the time to stop swaddling. It's not intended for older babies. And lastly, remember not to let baby get too warm or too hot. So you position baby towards the feet of the cot, feet to foot, and not to use any other blankets or sheets. The swaddling blanket is fine.